Hello, this is Jeremy Collins, Fixed Operations Director here at Kelly Ford, Brevard's trusted Ford family. At our facility, we do have dedicated motorhome technicians, many certified technicians, and we are the only Ford dealership in Brevard County to perform warranty work on large coaches. We understand the importance of getting these vehicles on the road, but we need them repaired correctly. We have spent tens of thousands of dollars on diagnostic equipment to assist our technicians with diagnosing and repairing a wide array of vehicles. We are also a certified maintenance facility for Allison Transmissions. From Chevy pickups to motorhomes to fire trucks, anything with an Allison transmission on it, we are a certified maintenance facility for Allison. We really don't turn anything away. You can expect quality work, reasonable prices, and repairs completed in a timely fashion. Here at Kelly Ford, we like to treat our customers like they are family.